Before you ride, perform the pre-ride inspection as described in the owner's manual. Read, understand, and follow all of the instructions, warnings, and safety precautions in the owner's manual and on all product labels. Failure to do so could result in serious injury or death. Visually inspect the vehicle, looking for debris, loose fasteners, leaks, and worn components that may impair the vehicle's operation. Next, check the condition of the tires, looking for any sign of punctures or damage, and inspect the tread depth. Also, check the tire pressures and verify that they are to specification. Reference your owner's manual or tire pressure label on your vehicle for the correct specs. Inspect the air filter and make sure it is properly installed. Inspect the front and rear suspension for leaks, debris, and damage. Then move to the brake pads and rotors, looking for corrosion, nicks, and burrs. Next, ensure the vehicle is on a flat, level surface to inspect the fluid levels. Remove the hood panel and inspect the coolant level in the overflow bottle. Add coolant as needed. Reinstall the hood panel by aligning the front alignment tabs and turning the quarter-turn latches. Move to the driver's side front fender and inspect the brake reservoir for proper fluid level. Add fluid as needed. Ensure the level is between the min and max marks. If it is low, clean around the cap and add fluid as necessary from a new and unopened bottle. Do not allow brake fluid to contact painted surfaces or paint damage may occur. Next, move to the passenger rear wheel well to access the oil dipstick. Before continuing, ensure the oil is checked on a cold engine. A hot engine will appear overfilled. Then, clean the area around the dipstick. Next, remove the oil dipstick and wipe with the clean shop towel. Then reinstall the oil dipstick fully and remove it again to inspect the oil level. After this, ensure the oil level is within the safe range on the dipstick and reinstall the oil dipstick. Do not overfill. Then, tilt the cargo box down and ensure it engages with the latch. Next, verify the tailgate is properly latched. Inspect the doors, if equipped, for proper adjustment and latching. Then, check the condition and function of the seat belts. Inspect the full length of the seat belts for cuts, wear, fraying, dirt, debris, or stiffness. Also, test the buckle and latch for proper operation. Always wear a seatbelt when riding. The vehicle will limit speed if the driver's seatbelt buckle is not latched. Next, turn the key on and inspect the fuel level, ensuring there is enough for your trip. Then verify proper operation of the headlights, tail lights, and brake lights. Continue by checking the steering system for smooth operation from full left to full right. Verify proper brake and accelerator pedal movement, taking note of any binding or sticking. Start the engine and verify there are no warning lights illuminated. Lastly, always practice safe riding by wearing the required safety gear listed in your owner's manual. For more information, see your authorized Pro XD dealer or visit Polaris.com.